Hi, this is Gary with Ken's ProSounds. I want to tell you a little bit today about the Yamaha DGX640. Sometimes you need a keyboard that does just a little bit more. This is the one that will do it. Besides having 88 weighted keys, you now have the ability to plug into an iPad or to your personal computer. Everything that you layer on this keyboard, you just made yourself an own personal recording. Let's see what this sounds like. Now, can you imagine having the ability to put that onto your personal computer, burn yourself a CD, share it with your friends if you like? Got it in two colors, in walnut and got it in cherry. Come in today and try out this fabulous keyboard from Yamaha.